Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you our oil collector, TW20 850. The oil collector TW20 850 from TWIN BUSCH can hold up to 70 liters of used oil. The funnel can be telescoped for alignment under the vehicle, while the oil collector can be freely positioned due to its 4 wheels. Vacuuming used oil in a few steps. The suction tank has 5 valves. All valves will be closed, except the valve on the vacuum unit. And compressed air will be fed into the vacuum unit. The vacuum unit now generates a vacuum in the entire tank within 3 minutes. The tank is then ready for operation and the compressed air can be separated. With the help of the suction hook and a suitable probe, the oil is now vacuumed from the vehicle. Alternatively, you can also drain the oil directly through the drain plug and without vacuum in the tank. All that is required is to open 2 valves for the oil supply and pressure equalization. The fill level of the tank can be read from the riser. If the tank is full, the oil can be siphoned into a used oil tank through the drain hook with the help of compressed air. Here are a few more details about the TW20 850. There is a removable drip grid inside the funnel, on which the drain plug and oil filter can be placed. All openings in the tank can be closed with ball valves. The pressure relief valve protects the tank against overloading. There are also 4 suction probes with different thicknesses and elasticities included in the delivery. And if you should be near one of our branches, please pay us a visit. We are looking forward to meeting you.